That's why, under these reforms, insurance companies will no longer be able to deny coverage because of a previous illness or injury.
We've also ordered BP to pay economic injury claims, and we will make sure they pay every single dime owed to the people along the Gulf Coast.
We did it to free millions of American families from the awful fear that one illness or injury to yourself or your child might cost you everything you'd worked so hard to build. And it means giving our wounded warriors all the care and support they need to heal, including mental health care for those with post-traumatic stress or traumatic brain injury.
You won't have to worry about pre-existing conditions, because never again will anyone in America be denied coverage because of a previous illness or injury.
Wow, a personal injury attorney who turned out to be a sleazeball.
We have ordered BP to pay economic injury claims, and we will make sure they deliver. And we're improving care for our wounded warriors, especially those with post-traumatic stress and traumatic brain injury. We're directing unprecedented resources to treating the signature wounds of today's wars: traumatic brain injury and post-traumatic stress disorder. As the situation continues to unfold, our first concern is preventing injury or loss of life. So said the man was faking his injury or it wasn't their problem.
A 20-year veteran of the Coast Guard, he founded Military Missions in Action to help veterans with disabilities live independently and support those suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder and traumatic brain injury.
And since his injury, he has climbed some of the tallest mountains on earth on prosthetics. And last summer, at the end of his internship with JP,
the injury bug plagued the team. For our veterans who are coming home, imagine if someone against Air Force, you lost your quarterback to an injury in the middle of the game. They left him with the kinds of injuries that you can't always see: head trauma, brain injury, PTSD. Carol Metcalf told us, "My oldest child is 22, recent college grad, a traumatic brain injury survivor with a rare genetic lung disease." We're also doing more to support our troops and our veterans who are suffering from things like traumatic brain disorder, or traumatic brain injury, or PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder.